You are beautiful like a mountain river, running clear from the sleeping snow, full of forests, full of white peaks, watching over every town below. Grain plains rolling on the summer, wine hills glowing in the late sun's glow. Every stone, every quiet chapel knows my name from years ago. And this concrete road takes me home to the place where I was born, to my place, to my friends, to my heart weathered and torn, to my homeland, to my Slovenia, where my stories learn to breathe. Every curve, every sign gives me back what I once had to leave. I see fields where my father labored, hear my mother calling from the door. Old songs hanging in the evening, like they've always floated there before. Faces change, but the eyes remember all the secrets that we used to keep, laughing under quiet starlight, promising our dreams we'd never sleep. And this concrete road takes me home to the place where I was born, to my place, to my friends, to my heart weathered and torn, to my homeland, to my Slovenia, where my stories learn to breathe. Every curve, every sign gives me back what I once had to leave. I have wandered far from these valleys, chased my shadow through the rain, but your rivers ran inside me, called me softly by my name. Now your mountains rise before me like an answer, clear and kind. I am smaller, I am stronger, I am yours in body and in mind. And this concrete road takes me home to the place where I was born, to my place, to my friends, to my heart mended from the storm.